This in my
To change the number of bars, let me turn my phone.
I'll put this down here.
If you want to start finagling the window, press the window button, which is right next to zoom. It's the first three that you want to mess with. The first three are the ones you want to mess with. And for this particular data, you'll get good at this. What do you think X-min should be? What do you think X-min should be? Look at the graph I want you to draw down there. It should be 0, shouldn't it? Okay, it should be 0. Makes perfect sense. I tell you the first thing is from 0 to 99, yes? How wide is the bar 0 to 99? How many numbers are in that bar? It's a tricky question.
Like 3.
There's 100 of them.
Oh.
0 to 99, there are 100 numbers in there, aren't there? Because you have to count 0. 1 to 99 is 99 plus the 0 is 100. 100 to 199 is also 100. That's what goes in the scale. You put 100 in for the scale. That's how wide each bar is on the TI-83 histogram, is X scale. That tells you how wide they're going to be. Fair enough so far? Now, here's the slightly tricky part. What do you think X max should be, logically? Logically, if you're trying to make that window, 2,000. Logically. But there's a small problem with that. If you do that, you're going to lose the uppermost data point. So you have to put in 2,100. I want to explain why once you do it. This is going to take some getting used to, but you will get used to it here. I promise you this. I promise you this. Press graph. Now, there's a lot of them. There's actually 21 little bars up there, believe it or not, and there's a reason for that. I'd like to finagle a little bit more, if it's okay with you guys. You see how there's a bunch of dead space up here? Let's get rid of some of that. Okay, this is, press window again. Can you think of what number you want to mess with to get rid of some of that dead space? You have to think back to your Math 111, Math 95 days. Sorry, trying to. Y max. Knock your Y max down a little. Your Y max is too big. So make your Y max like, I don't know, maybe 15. See if 15 works. You make the scale by 3s, perhaps. Okay, press graph. That's better. That's nice. That's nice. Now here's the problem. Here's a slight problem. Slight problem. And the problem is basically how I drew the graph on your quiz. If you notice, each of the bars in that graph have 100 numbers in them. 0 to 99, 100 to 199, 200 to 299. Every one of them has 100 except the very last one. The very last one is 1900 to 2000. That actually technically has 101 numbers in it, doesn't it? Because I'm a bastard? No, because it just happened I had 2000. I'm like, shit, it doesn't fit. I'll just tack it here. So, the reason I bring this up is there are actually 21 bars here, not 20. So the 0 through 99 bar is this one. If you press the trace button right now, it'll tell you how big that bar is. If you press trace, it's telling you between 0 and 100, but not including 100. So 0 to 99, there are 7 numbers in that bar. So that tells you how big that bar has to be on your graph. If you scooch to the right one, there are 10 in the next bar, which would be 100 to 199. I'm sorry for the TI's language. It says less than 200. It doesn't say to 199. It says less than 200. It tries to make everything continuous data, not discrete. Apologies. You'll get used to it. So that's your second bar. Here's your third bar. Here's your fourth bar. 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Now technically that's where you'd be done, because your last bar is 1900 to 2000. But we've got this extra little bar, and the problem with this is that damn 2000. So when you guys are drawing your little graph out on your page there, just combine these two into that last bar. I think there's only one thing there anyway. I'm pretty sure that's just a 1. So just stack that 1 on top of this one and make the last bar 3 tall. It's just a fluke of the way the numbers fell. Okay? That's Rachel, go ahead. And then let me come around and get questions answered, because I know some of you guys are running into problems with this.